I'm Mridula, and I'm going to discuss the speaking part of IELTS, which basically has three parts. The first is the introduction, second is the cue card, and then it is followed by the follow-up question. स्पीकिंग के कुछ नवे जो टॉपिक्स स्टार्ट हुए हैं इस मंथ से वो मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ एंड देन दिस इज गोइंग टू ऑल्सो टर्न अप फॉर द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुअरी. The first part first is going to have your introduction. Then after that, it is going to be followed by a cue card and later with the follow-up questions. So the first part, as you all know, introduction हर कोई कर लेता है, right? अब मैं ज़्यादा उसकी डेप्थ में ना जाते हुए फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस पे आऊँगी. What do you think patience is? अब मैं आपको इसके आंसर्स भी साथ साथ में दूंगी. आपने ये ध्यान रखना है कि आपके जो फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ टॉपिक है या फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर स्पीकिंग है उसको ज़्यादा लेंथी नहीं खींचना है. जस्ट सिर्फ टू द पॉइंट भी नहीं होना चाहिए बट आंसर आराम से दिया जाए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक पेशेंस इज? पेशेंस इज बेसिकली धीरज, राइट? ओके. Well, according to me, patience is something to be calm and to have a cool, relaxed mind. If one is patient, then one can think better and work in a better way. Do you think, the second question goes is, do you think patience is important? Yes, definitely. Keeping patience is very important. It's because, as I said, you can think better and you can perform in a better way. Do you think you are a patient person? Well, yes, I think I am a patient person. I think I do not lose my temper very soon. But when at times things get out of control, I also lose my temper. Have you ever lost your patience? Yes, at times I do lose my patience. I lose my temper when things get out of control. Who taught you to be polite? I think I have learned politeness from my teachers, from my parents, and my mentors who have always been talking to me in a very polite way. Is it important to be polite? Definitely. It's very important to be polite because if you are polite, the other person feels like listening to you. What do you do if others are not polite to you? In simple words, I just smile and say goodbye. That's what I believe in. So I think being polite helps in all the ways. If you are polite, people are going to answer you in a polite way, in a kind way. But then if you lose your temper, probably nobody wants to really listen to you. So now we end up with the first part of our speaking. Now we will begin with our cue card. That is part 2. Describe an interesting conversation that you had. Now, how are you going to prepare a cue card? Over here, we have 4 questions. First is, who did you speak with, where you were, what the conversation was about, and explain why you think it was interesting. Students, just remember one thing. Normally, students are facing a lot of problem preparing a cue card. Basically, the question is, describe an interesting conversation that you had. अब इसको मैं हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करूं तो मुझे ये जानना है कि आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग कन्वर्सेशन कौन सी हुई थी. अब अपने आप से ये सवाल पूछिए, किसके साथ हुई थी, कब हुई थी, क्यों हुई थी और क्या इंटरेस्टिंग था उसमें. And prepare that 4 questions ka answer in your mind. Try to work on your imagination power. When your imagination is strong, believe you me, your cue card is going to be superb. I would be discussing the same cue card in my next video. Until then, keep watching Mridula.